This is just an image of vintage marketing campaign for Piergiacomi, but it tells a lot about their tools' precision, ergonomic design and ease of use. So actually, I could try and do as they show. The challenge is to cut the lead using only my thumb and a little finger. Alright, let's test it. Oh my god! It's flawless. People say it is as Italian as a Ferrari. It is as Italian as espresso. And I am saying it is as Italian as Piergiacomi. There you have it. For more than 40 years, this genuinely Italian manufacturer has been designing and producing tools for the most different tasks in electronics. Additionally, there are good news. Number one, Piergiacomi's technicians and designers can manufacture any tool according to your technical specifications. Two, or you can tell them how your tool should be able to perform and they will try to find the right solution customized just for you at a reasonable price. And good news number three is that in TMEU we have a huge Piergiacomi's tool offer because TME, as your first choice distributor, pays the utmost attention to the quality and high standards of goods you receive. The gentleness of the cut, this is what makes Piergiacomi unique. While cutting, the blades overlap, like in shears, which results only in clean cuts. Piergiacomi quality hand tools offer consists of over 400 precious hand tools for electricians, and today we will have a look at some of them. These cutting pliers are designed to cut small wires and components often used in electronics. They are 144 mm long, which makes them ideal when handling delicate and compact work. They work perfectly well with cutting wires up to 1.3 mm in diameter. Now, the big question, what kind of wires they are made for cutting best? Well, copper, as it is soft, aluminium, a bit harder than copper but still soft enough, insulated, tint copper and multi-strand. They are made of several small strands bundled together, which Piergiacomi pliers can cut cleanly due to their precision tips. Remember, Piergiacomi pliers such as SC30D are made for cutting soft materials. If you wanted to cut hard steel wires, well, you could damage the tool's cutting edges, so the juice is not worth the squeeze. These handles are ESD-safe, meaning working with them won't disturb any sensitive electronic parts. Now, you can handle them with no fear. And one of my favorite features, small chamfer. The cutting edges have a small chamfer which allows you to gain clean cuts without damage to the components. Which industries might get extra excited with the above features? Well, telecommunications, where technicians use them to cut and strip wires during installations, jewelry and watchmaking, where detailed work makes the difference, model building and hobbyist work, as intricate crafting requires clean cuts, and medical manufacturing, where high level of precision while assembling is a must. What will attract your attention in this particular model is a carved blade design. Such flush-cutting blade is made for detailed trimming. These blades allow for smooth and professional finish as their cuts are flush or even with the surface. So, use it with tasks like electronics assembly or circuit board work when cutting or trimming close to the electronic component is necessary, and actually you don't want to leave protruding wire ends that could cause serious issues to your work. Do you know what is the most expensive material used in electronics? Gold? Well, it is only around 89,000 per kilogram. So, keep trying. Anti-hydrogen? Well, possibly, if you are lucky to buy when it is in stock. Any other ideas? Did I just hear rhodium? Yes! 1 kilogram is around $156,000. It specializes in high-tech applications due to its excellent corrosion resistance and durability. It is most appreciated in high-performance electrical contacts and connectors. So, if you happen to be working with such, or you want to cut wires in hard-to-reach places, TR5000W will perform the work just fine. Remember, perfect perpendicular cuts minimize material loss. And what a coincidence! The cable alignment plate in here ensures proper positioning of the cable for perfect perpendicular cuts. So, this little twist will save you time and material. So, to cut the long story short, will save you money. The platen helps you guide the tool, reduces deformation or frying during the cutting process and speeds up the work. There is one more interesting feature shared by all of them. Dolphin-like bodies, I mean handles, and to be more precise, ergonomic torpedo-like body shape that allows both dolphins and Piergiacomi tools to move fluidly with enhanced maneuverability. In case of Piergiacomi's ESD pliers, cutters or screwdrivers, they are all covered by high-grade dissipative surface which follows ICE 6134051 standard. Quote from the producer: accordingly, the surface resistance of Piergiacomi ESD tools are within the ideal area between 106 and 109 ohms. This resistance prevents any damages at sensitive components. Less can be more when it is done with precision. And actually, that might be the summary and a new marketing slogan for Piergiacomi. You're welcome, because minimalism and elegance is what their offer stands for. Plus mastery and precision, plus us as the best distributor ever, and you have clean success, plus clean cuts. So I could go like this forever. Please cut. Now, thank you.